Good morning. It's a little windy out here, but that's all right. Mark Drew speaks. Mr. Drew here with the morning motivation to get you going. Let's just get it today. You made it today. You got to break it up into two parts. It's a compound word. Today. Two is a place. Day is where we made it, the event. We made it to the event, to the experience. And that's your job today, is to experience the day, right? You may not know exactly what's going to happen, but you can go through it. You may not you can't choose what's done to you, but we're going to choose how we react today. We're going to observe our emotions today. We're going to observe our thoughts today. Yeah, observe your thoughts today. We don't know where they come from. You know? It's a mix. It's the slate. It's a mess. They come from everywhere. It's like a abstract art piece. Just blah sometimes. Sometimes you have to just sit back and observe them. Don't try to control them, you know? Take a little time to maybe meditate today. In fact, after this video right here, you're watching this video, which means you're on an electronic device. Find some calming music and relax. If you need, find some guided meditation. I like Lillian Eden. She has a channel. Check her out. I'm not paid to say that. I'm just telling you about my experience. I used to listen to her years back in my growth, in my work. Start today. Observe yourself. Slow down. All right? That's my morning motivation to you. Nice and simple. Not a lot. It's loud and noisy out here. We got to go block that stuff out. There's a lot of traffic. The wind's blowing. Slow down today. Find a quiet place today and make it happen. All right? As always, love someone today, but don't forget to love yourself. It's Mark Drew. Don't forget to subscribe to the page if you haven't already. Check me out at Mark Drew Speaks on the Instagram. Peace.